In today's video, we're going to be talking about my graduation day. So I just graduated recently with my bachelor's degree, or I just walked for my degree. I got a bachelor's of business administration with emphasis in entrepreneurship and a minor in marketing. Let me show y'all my diploma, or my my degree book. So here it is. This is my diploma book. This is what's gonna hold my degree. In high school and stuff, they be having like the small diploma books, but this one is the big diploma book. So we made it, y'all. This is my bachelor's degree. But I wanna shout out a lot of people in this video when it comes to like giving me cards and gifts and things like that. I received so much. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful for y'all that showed up and supported me. I just want to say thank you for coming. Everybody should have received a thank you card as well, and if not, I will be sending those out tomorrow. So let's just get started with these gifts. It says Tanisha. All of them say Tanisha, but I won't know who wrote them until I read the card. So this one says, there are no shortcuts on the path to real success. I already know who this is from. This is from, oh, this is from my mom. Okay, I thought this was from my boyfriend. Okay, but it says, I love you, baby doll. I mean, young woman, I'm so proud of who you have become, and yet there's more to come. Keep reaching, because the world is yours to explore. Celebrating your success today and how hard you worked to make it happen. Congratulations, graduate. I love you to the moon and beyond. Mom. Says my mom. And by the way, everybody has a good penmanship. Oh, the way y'all spell my name in cursive and stuff, like, definitely better than me. I'm not the best at cursive, but I really love how y'all wrote my name. So yes, good penmanship. All right, so here's another card. It says, for a special, oh, it looks like this. Oh, it's really bright, okay. It says, for a special graduate, what is graduation? Graduation is a milestone, a crossroad, a goal you've achieved, a star you have reached, a diploma received. The end of a chapter, a new dream begun, recognition for all of the hard work you've done, a happy event, an exciting fresh start, a time to feel proud and to follow your heart. Hope your graduation is a very special combination of happiness, success, and fun, and all-out celebration. Best wishes for a great future. We love you and are so very proud of you. You've earned every accomplishment and will go very far in life. One chapter ends, the next one begins. Love, your auntie Danielle, Uncle Chris, and Skylar. Aww. Thank y'all so much. The Cold Hills. And y'all got me a Target gift card. So that is so sweet. Thank y'all so much. I love it. Here's another card. It says, this is what it looks like. Ooh, money falling out already. That's what I'm talking about. It says, God bless you on your journey. Love always. You didn't just get an education. You earned it by working hard and making good choices. So be proud of yourself. You achieved so much and you deserve all the success that's going to keep on coming your way. Congrats, GRAD. Congrats, GRAD. From Papa and Granny. Love always. And they gave me $40. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Papa. I really appreciate this. Like I said, I love the sweet messages, and the cards is beautiful. So
it sounds like something she really say. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes. Also, my grandma got me this cute little graduation mug. It's upstairs with a little teddy bear. That was cute. She got me some flowers. So, girl, a woman loves flowers. So, okay. So this is how it. Ooh. Oh, it's falling out, y'all. I can't even be surprised all the way. Okay. It says, God has plans for you. Never settle for anything less than extraordinary, because that's what he wants for you. Always believe in yourself and the possibilities of each dream, because with him, you can do anything. Try to see yourself the way God does, because you are special in his sight. And to all who love and care about you, congratulations on your graduation. I love you, Miss Lee. I love you too, Miss Lee. Thank you so much. This is so sweet, and it's honestly beautiful, and definitely needed that. So let's see how much money we working with. We got $50. Oh my gosh, y'all handwriting is just beautiful. Like seriously, this not even cursive. It's just wow. I just want to keep it just because the handwriting is just so good. All right. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it says, congratulations to the graduate. As you look into the future, may you see waiting there a world of joy, so much success, and good luck everywhere. And as you journey forward from your graduation day, may everything you're hoping for be yours along the way. Uncle Steve. Thank you, Uncle. We got $50. Oh, look at this. Okay, Tanisha from Candace. Okay, here we go. This is really pretty. This is how the card looks. And it says, this time I'm gonna hold it tight so I can get surprised by what's in there. It says, it just say a lot of like congrats, like hooray, bravo, yippee, wow, you did it, woohoo, way to go, well done, wow, yippee, impressive, congratulations, hooray for you. It says, you got success written all over you, congrats, GRAD. You made it through all the hard trials and challenges to reach this monumental moment. God bless you. Love, Candace. Love you. Aww. That is so sweet. And I got a gift card. You got TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Home Sense.
Oh, wow.
So, yes, we'll definitely use this. Thank you again. Thanks for coming. Should we do this card? Let's do this card. And then we'll do that card. So this is from my boyfriend. Let me show you what's inside. And I'm missing the card. It's upstairs. I'm going to go and get it. But this is what it looks like. And it says, never underestimate all the wonderful things you're capable of, the impact of your dreams and ideas, your uniqueness, and all you have to offer the world. And it says, never underestimate the special person you are now and the one you have the power to become. Congratulations. And it's a little note. It says, well, kind of big note, but it says, congratulations on another successful school year and achieving your bachelor's degree. Continue to stay on the right path to success and chase your dreams to the fullest. Always remember, when times get tough, never give up and do your best at completing those tough obstacles. You are a very talented, smart young lady and deserve all the good things headed your way. Believe in yourself even if it seems that no one else does. Always have faith and hope, because at the end of the day, hard work pays off. Love, babe. So, very touching. Thank you. Right, this is not the last card. It's a card upstairs. I'm going to go grab it real quick, but okay, I don't know. Okay, so this is what the card looked like. It says, granddaughter, I see your life as a beautiful story unfolding year by year. And as you graduate, I know that all the unwritten chapters ahead of you will be just as amazing and remarkable as you are. Got some money. It says, I know this because I know you, the granddaughter I'm so proud of. The granddaughter I love. Congratulations. Love you, Granny. Oh, I love you too, Granny. You gonna make me cry. That one gonna do it. No, that's gonna do it. Dang, I want to read it again. Hold on, let me just. Because I know you, the granddaughter I'm so proud of. Oh, Granny. This sound like Granny. Thank you, Granny. I love you so, so much. And we got $30. So I'm gonna go. Yes, thank God. Cause I gotta pay some bills. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get another card really fast, and then I'll be back. Oh, actually, no, we got one more thing before I go all upstairs. My cousin Tyler gave me this really cute photo frame. It says 2022 with my picture on there. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this. Now, the thing about this is she wrote a message on the back of this picture. So let's see what it said. All right. Ooh, she did it. Okay. It says, and I know how hard you had, the tough time you had getting this in there, so it's all good. Okay. It says, congrats on all of your goals and more. I'm so proud of how far you've come. With all of your hard work, you're going to keep doing great things. With all you've been through. You continue to work hard, and that's all coming to life. I pray all of your dreams and wishes come true. Love you, girl. Love you too, Tyra.
Oh, it sounded like a but dude.
Yes, it do. Okay. Okay, I'll put this back in there. I love this. Okay. And I will make sure that I insert some videos and pictures of that day. Yeah, with me and my family, I'm gonna insert some videos and pictures of that day. You know, and some behind the scenes. So I guess if I was to break down the whole day, so yeah, so I woke up that day, got ready, did my makeup and everything. Then I opened up my gift bag that I got from the Pure Liquid Honors College. Showed y'all what was in there, so that footage is gonna be inserted here. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm trying to show some of my graduation gifts already. I got something from my mom. I got this card here, this little picture frame, cute little picture frame, and my favorite, or one of my favorite chocolates, Ferrero Rocher, a giant one at that. So that's really cute, really nice. Gonna be taking me a minute to eat. So did my makeup, got dressed and everything, ready to go. And I wanted to show y'all. So I made everybody like goodie bags, graduation goodie bags. Got thank you cards, and everybody gonna be getting, well, not everybody, but some people gonna be getting one of these, which is like a picture of me, so that when they say my name, they can wave them and I can kind of see like where they at in the crowd. So yes, look on me. Look at me. Do I look the same, y'all? I probably do with this makeup on, but I'm telling you, everybody be like, you look so different. Here is the goodie bag, or the other goodie bag that I got from, I don't know, a keepsake bag. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a keepsake bag from my school, the Honors College that I also graduated from, or getting a certificate in. So we got like a binder right here with some little sticky tabs and some a notebook pad, or a notepad. And I got an UMSL shirt, another one. I love these. These are good pajamas, so love it. And then I got this cute little mug here. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the inside. This looks so college-like. What it looks like this. It stands for Pure Liquid Honors College. And I'm so excited to use it. Thank you, UMSL, for these nice things. And thank you for being very supportive and giving me the value that you guys have given me throughout this whole time at UMSL and the Honors College. So I just thank the teachers, the faculty, students even, for pushing me to be more educated. So yes, all right, bye-bye. And then after that, pretty much it was time to go. Boyfriend showed up, school, drove me to my school, where I was gonna be able to walk for my degree. And he did little cute little videos and pictures beforehand. Yeah.
I'm ready. Look at
Right
babe.
here in front of me.
Come on, girl. How you gonna tell me?
Cause I'm gonna direct you. Okay. I'm over it. Okay. Oh yeah, right here.
Pictures?
Yeah. You got to start it?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me put this on too. Alright. No.
Nisha.
Got on the shuttle, went there. I was so nervous. I got a little bit of footage of like me in my school walking and stuff. After that, pretty much, and I was shy, y'all. I was gonna walk the stage and do a little dance, but that did not happen. But when I came down off the steps and stuff, I thought they was gonna see me, but I did do a little dance, like walking back to my seat. That's what I did. But nobody saw me, but my boyfriend did. But yeah. But anyway, yes. So super happy, super proud of myself. I will do another video, I guess, talking about kind of like the do's and don'ts of college, or like for future students that want to go get a higher education. I do want to be able to offer my advice in another separate video, the next steps of being a college student, and like just how it was like for me, my experience, and you know, little takeaways that I feel like would be helpful to those out there that do plan on going to college or university. With that being said, let me go grab those last 2 items upstairs. Last 2, 3 items, I forgot what it all was up there. But finish this video and we can close out. Oh, this is nice. I think my green card almost got me. Here is my favorite, one of my favorite chocolates. It's a Giant Ferrero Rocher chocolate bar. I don't even know how to begin to eat this thing, but it will get eaten. Here is the mug that my grandma got me with a little teddy bear on the inside. So cute. And then here is that last card that I wanted to read. I did get another gift card from my auntie, Auntie Yo-Yo and Pat. Shout out to y'all. So here is the card. This is what it looks like, and it says, "This is your time, grad." And on the inside it says, "For sharing memories, celebrating your success, and creating a future that's just what you want it to be. Congratulations, Tanisha. We're very proud of you in all your endeavors." Thank you so much. Love y'all. I got $170 in cash and about $75 in gift cards. Everybody so much. Again, I'm super grateful for each and every one of y'all. I just would like to thank everybody for showing up, showing support. Even if you couldn't be there in person, I definitely felt it. And I will be sending out thank you cards. It's kind of long overdue, but we got those things ready. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see from me. I definitely have a lot in store for y'all. I'd like to thank y'all for watching this video and supporting me on my YouTube journey. Definitely thinking about different things to talk about on here and just explore and have y'all be involved in with me. So yes, follow me on social media, follow my business, Nisha Nails and Beauty. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I'll see you later. Bye.